Hi, Kurumi here. Today's recipe is tomato bean and shiso salad. Start by cutting 200g baby tomatoes in half. You'll also need half a bell pepper. Remove the seed and the white flesh from the inside. Then chop into bite-sized pieces. Next, take 6 fresh shiso leaves. Remove the stems. Cut in half long ways. Then slice like this. You will need about 200g rinsed kidney beans. Add the beans to the salad vegetables. Add a sprinkle of salt to a small pan of boiling water. Add 100g of frozen soya beans. Cook for about 4 minutes. Drain the beans. Then add to the salad. To make your dressing, start with 1 teaspoon of wasabi paste. Add 2 tablespoons of sushi vinegar. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. And 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Mix together well. Make sure that the wasabi paste is blended in. Mix up the salad. And pour over the dressing. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon!